Shark RV2310 Matrix Robot Vacuum, should you buy it? The Shark Matrix is a robot vacuum with a charging station that automatically empties the debris cleaned by the vacuum. It does so into a bagless dust bin, which reduces long-term maintenance costs. In addition, the robot vacuum cleaned well, removing 97.3% of debris and keeping the majority of the long hair from tangling. It did struggle with pet hair and lacks obstacle avoidance, but navigates efficiently without getting stuck. Usability is simple and solid, with app connectivity and easy setup. The Shark Matrix is the best Shark robot vacuum we've tested so far, cleaning well on carpeted and hard flooring surfaces. It's also priced well, especially when considering that it has both an auto-empty bin and LiDAR navigation. We run the Shark Matrix on the debris-covered floor, letting it complete 2 full cleaning cycles on the maximum suction power. We then measure the remaining debris by weight and compare it to the starting amount of 2.0 ounces. This comparison to the baseline assists us in determining performance. Cleaning performance was excellent for the Shark Matrix on all floor types. It had nearly perfect results on hardwood, only missing an incredibly small amount of sugar. Low and high pile carpets weren't as close to perfection, but still managed fantastic results. Compared to the average across all robot vacuums we've tested to date, the Shark is significantly better. On average, we see robot vacuums remove 89.1% on low pile carpet and 89.7% on high pile. Shark has priced the Matrix quite low. It's one of the cheapest robot vacuums out there with both LiDAR and an auto-empty bin. Even though the Roomba i3 doesn't have LiDAR but uses a less accurate floor tracking system for its navigation, it's still probably the Shark's closest natural competitor due to the lower price on the Shark. Navigation tests. Moving on to the navigation tests. In our new navigation test, we run each robot vacuum several times on a fixed floor plan in different modes and on different power settings. The Shark Matrix does have a fast mapping mode, and it mapped our 350 square foot area in a little over 5 minutes, compared to the Roomba i3, which took 26 minutes. We also measured their navigation efficiency, meaning how fast a robot cleaned an area as well as how many square feet it covered during that time. The Shark covered about 15% more area than the Roomba and did so about 28% faster. So, the LiDAR navigation really seemed to make a difference here for the Shark. Anti-hair wrap. The Shark Matrix also has an anti-hair wrap Brushroll, which is basically little comb-like structures that actively remove hair from its brush roll. We think Shark must have a patent for this, since we don't see this on other robot vacuums. While we love this feature on Shark's upright and cordless vacuums, we've never really noticed that much of a difference with it on robot vacuums. We think that the Shark Matrix is Shark's best performing robot vacuum yet in terms of power, carpet, and hard floor performance and navigation. It's an excellent value for its price. In our scoring system, it beat out the Roomba i3 Plus EVO without any trouble. Should you buy the Shark Matrix Robot Vacuum? I would recommend the Shark Matrix Robot Vacuum if you're looking for the following features. Excellent cleaning performance. The Shark Matrix removed 97.3% of all debris in our cleaning tests, showcasing fantastic cleaning performance. Additionally, it managed long hair with ease, removing all of it from the floor and keeping practically all of it from tangling around the brush roll. While it struggled with pet hair, it managed all other cleaning tasks with little to no issue. Bagless dustbin. The charging station for the Shark Matrix not only automatically empties the robot's dustbin, but also does so without a bag. This reduces long-term maintenance costs and it can hold up to 45 days of debris according to Shark. Navigates well. While it lacked obstacle avoidance technology, the Shark Matrix navigates well and quickly. In 40 to 50 minutes, it cleaned our 1,000 square feet office and studio space and returned to the base successfully. It didn't get stuck on anything and fully cleaned the space.